I'm here today to show you the safe method in lifting outboard motors in and out of a test tank or on and off of a boat. This exercise I'm going to be using a Mercury outboard. It's a V6, it's 200 horsepower, and there is a method that's recommended by the manufacturer. It's a service tool that's recommended. We're using the lifting eye. That's the tool that's recommended by the manufacturer. You can buy it as a spare part. What we need to do to mount the hook or the lifting ring is very simple. First thing we need to do is pull the outboard cover off, which I've already done. There's a cover that goes over the flywheel to stop people getting hurt from any rotating components if they're doing any service work to the engine while it's in the tank. That needs to be removed. That comes off quite easily. Usually on the Mercury outboard there's a yellow plastic cap that sits on the thread of the flywheel. That's been removed already. That's to protect it from any dirt entering that part of the system. We grab the lifting eye. There's a thread that screws straight into the top of the flywheel, and it only has to be done by hand to screw it in till it actually bottoms out. Very simple. Don't need any spanners or anything like that to tighten it down. When it tightens up firmly, it's ready to be lifted. I'm using a overhead electric crane. It's very simple to use, very safe. This one's rated to half a tonne, so it's more within the service limit, lifting limit. You just hook straight in, and because it's electric, you've got up and down buttons, so you can see. All you need to do is put one hand around the motor just to keep it stable. Hit the up button, nice and gentle. You take the weight, once the weight's taken, this one here I can move it very easily, back and forth, either on the back of the boat, or in this case I can lift it as high as I want to go. As you can see, there was no damage done to my back. Very simple. When I'm finished with it, lie it to the ground, under the hook, you can move the crane out of the way. I can pull the hook or ring straight off. I would put the plastic cap back in the top. And the cover. So now it's safe to be used again. Okay, so there's other methods we can use. We can use the lifting sling, which is a lifting sling that's been rated to lift X amount of weight. This one here is rated to 2 tonne. It's got a certified tag on it saying that it's been tested to 2 tonne. This is what's recommended. Nothing that's no rope or anything like that you're not sure about. If you're lifting anything, make sure it's got a tag on there, because if anything does happen, you can either damage the equipment or yourself. So very careful on what you do there. So as you can see, there is a method to be used. Follow the procedure in the book, and it reduces any possibility of personal harm or component damage. Thank you.